to write with and something to write on. In this book, a girl named Claire can't find her toy bear. Her big sister, Beanie, pitches in to help solve the mystery. In the end, the clues and the story will help you figure out the bear's hiding place. Have you ever lost something important to you? Did you end up finding it? That's what happens in this story. Before we begin, let's go over some sight words. Here are some sight words you are going to see frequently in this book. Look, bear, there. We are going to say each sight word 3 times to get familiar with it. My turn, look, your turn. My turn, look, say it. My turn, look, your turn. My turn, bear, say it. My turn, bear, your turn. My turn, bear, say it. My turn, there, your turn. My turn, there, your turn. My turn, there, say it. Good job, scholars. We also have some new vocabulary words in the book, Beanie and the Missing Bear. We're going to go over these vocabulary words together. I'm going to help you sound them out by chunking the sounds together. We are going to blend them together to make a whole word. I will write some with you, and then it'll be your turn to try it on your own. In this book, there are some tricky words. We know we can read through these tricky words by looking for chunks we know, saying each sound slowly, saying the sounds faster and faster, then reading through the whole word and thinking, does that make sense? Let's try an example. First, look at the chunk D. I know other words that start with the sound D. The middle chunk in between the 2 T's, t, e, k, t, t, e, t, tect. The last chunk I've seen before, iv. I know other words that end in iv. Give, live, I-V-E says iv. I've found my chunks. Now let's put them together. D, tech, tiv, detective, detective. One of the words that you will be seeing in this book is the word detective. The next 2 words I want you to try and sound out by yourself. Pause the video to sound out these 2 words. Now it's time to read the text. While you are reading, I want you to think about the question, what makes Beanie a good detective? Now, pause the video and resume when you are finished reading the text. I'm going to ask you some questions about the text. Remember, we are going to be mining for evidence. When we mine for evidence, we find the answer in the book. Then we turn to the page number with the correct information. The page number is very important. It proves that your answer is correct. When you find the evidence, point to it with your finger.
Where does Beanie look first for the bear? Where does she look for the bear next? What tools does Beanie use to help solve mysteries? Do you think this is the first mystery Beanie has solved? Why or why not? What are some other places Beanie could have looked for the missing bear?
We are going to end today's lesson with some spelling. I have 3 spelling words for you. We are going to say the words 3 times, then tap them out, and then you are going to practice spelling them on your own with your paper and pencil. Our first word is the word pest. Pest. Get your tapping fingers ready. We're ready. Est. Est. The word pest that starts with the letter P. Pest, E makes the sound. Pest. The last sound in the word pest is a letter blend. What letter blend do you think the word pest ends with? If you said ST, you're correct. The next word is the word chip. Chip. Let's tap it out. Ch, I, p. Ch, I, p. It sounds like chip has a letter blend also. When you write this one out, think about what letter blend the word chip starts with. Pause the video to take your time and write it down. The last word is the word sand. Sand. I want you to tap the sounds out. Think about the letter blends we discussed when you write the word sand. Pause the video to take your time and write it down. Scholars, thank you so much for reading with me today. I hope it helped you grow your